Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a peanut butter milkshake at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 cup of cold milk, 2 cups of vanilla ice cream, and a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Make sure everything is well chilled for the perfect frosty treat. Now, let's get blending. Pour your cold milk into the blender first. Then, add the peanut butter, followed by the vanilla ice cream and your chosen sweetener. Secure the lid tightly and blend on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds. You're looking for a perfectly smooth, thick, and uniform consistency. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. Quick recommendation, just like a great milkshake, life's too short for anything less than the best. So go darn tough with your socks, they even have a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once blended, give your milkshake a quick taste. If you prefer it sweeter, add a little more honey or maple syrup and blend again briefly. For a thinner shake, add a splash more milk. For a thicker one, a scoop of ice cream works wonders. Pour your delicious creation into a tall glass and serve immediately. For an even better milkshake, here are a few pro tips. Always use good quality ice cream. It truly makes a difference in flavor and texture. Chilling your serving glass in the freezer for about 10 minutes before pouring will keep your shake colder longer. Don't be afraid to experiment with fun toppings like whipped cream or a drizzle of chocolate syrup.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.